Little Smart Kids. Today, Handy Andy has a ride on a tram to the city. He is going to tell you himself.
Hello, my friends. I'm on the tram. I left my car at home and decided to go by tram. When you drive the car, you don't see the beautiful nature around you, but the tram is going slow. You can sit by the window and see all of the nice scenery. Do you know what the tram is? I'll tell you. The tram is a special transport that goes on the rails. It takes passengers to different places. It uses electricity that goes through the wire to the current collectors. They are on the tram's roof. The tram has a cabin for the driver and carriages for the passengers. New trams have 2 cabins for the driver. It's very convenient when the tram goes to the last stop. The driver just moves to the other cabin and starts the route to the opposite direction. You have to know special safety regulations for the passengers of the tram. If you stand inside the tram, you have to hold on to the handrails above your head or to the railing like I'm doing. If you don't, the tram can suddenly stop and you can fall down. Oh, what happened? The tram braked. Did you hear that sound? It's an emergency stop. I will go out of the tram and check what happened. Oops, there's an emergency. The tram derailed. The front driver's cabin and some carriages are on the asphalt now. We have to call emergency service and ask for help. The tram blocked the road for cars, and there will be a traffic jam soon. Hello? Emergency? We need your help here. The tram derailed. It happened at the city's first crossroad. Okay. Our emergency service will come and put the tram back to the rails. Look, my friends. Hooray! The big crane came to help the tram. It stopped. Now, it is lifting up its hoist. It slightly pulls the crane boom. It grabs the first carriage and lifts the tram a bit, putting it back to the rails. Hooray! The tram can go on its route. Thank you, crane, for your help. Now I can go back to my carriage. I'm going to continue my trip. Hope everything will be all right. So, today I told you about the tram and how it works. You saw that the tram can accidentally derail. In such a situation, we should call emergency service. It was very interesting. See you soon, my friends. Bye. If you don't want to miss any new cartoons, subscribe to our channel. Also, you can click on the word like.